Fish.
Fish are creatures that live in water. They can be found in oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Fish come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are big and some are small. Fish are an important part of the food chain, and they are eaten by people all over the world. Many people love fish because it is healthy and delicious. There are many different types of fish. Each type has its own unique features, and they live in different environments. Here are some common types of fish. 1. Salmon. Salmon is a popular fish that lives in both freshwater and saltwater. It has pink flesh and a rich flavor. Salmon is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are very good for the heart. People often eat salmon grilled, smoked, or in sushi. 2. Tuna. Tuna is a large fish that is commonly used in canned foods. Tuna is also used in sushi. It is a good source of protein and healthy fats. Tuna can be eaten raw or cooked, and many people enjoy it in sandwiches, salads, or casseroles. 3. Cod. Cod is a white fish that has a mild flavor. It is often used in fish and chips, a popular dish in the UK. Cod is low in fat and high in protein. It is also rich in vitamins like vitamin B12, which helps keep our nervous system healthy. 4. Trout. Trout is a freshwater fish that is similar to salmon. It has a delicate flavor and is usually eaten grilled or baked. Trout is a good source of protein and healthy fats, making it a great choice for a nutritious meal. 5. Sardines. Sardines are small, oily fish that are often sold in cans. They are full of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D. Sardines are good for bone health and are often eaten as a snack or added to salads. Fish are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. They are full of important nutrients that help keep our bodies strong and healthy. Here are some of the key nutrients found in fish. Protein. Fish are a great source of high-quality protein. Protein is important for building muscles, repairing tissues, and keeping our bodies strong. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are healthy fats that are very good for the heart. They help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s. Vitamins. Fish are full of vitamins, especially vitamin D and vitamin B12. Vitamin D helps keep our bones strong by allowing our body to absorb calcium. Vitamin B12 is important for our brain and nerves. Minerals. Fish are rich in minerals like iodine, selenium, and zinc. Iodine helps our thyroid work properly, and selenium is important for our immune system. Eating fish regularly has many health benefits. Here are some reasons why fish are good for us. Good for heart health. Fish are great for the heart. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. People who eat fish regularly are less likely to have heart problems. Supports brain health. Omega-3s in fish are also good for the brain. They help improve memory and reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's. Eating fish can help keep the brain sharp as we get older. Helps with weight management. Fish are low in calories but high in protein, making them a good choice for people who want to manage their weight. Eating fish can help you feel full without eating too many calories. Improves mood. Some studies suggest that eating fish can help improve mood and reduce the risk of depression. The omega-3s in fish play a role in brain function and mood regulation. Good for skin and hair. Fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins, which help keep skin and hair healthy. Eating fish can make your skin look glowing and your hair shiny. Boosts immune system. Fish contain important vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and selenium, which help boost the immune system. A strong immune system helps the body fight off infections and diseases. Cooking fish is easy, and there are many ways to prepare it. Here are some simple ways to cook fish. Grilling. Grilling fish is a popular method because it gives the fish a nice smoky flavor. You can grill fish like salmon, tuna, or trout. Simply season the fish with salt, pepper, and a little lemon juice and grill it until it is cooked through. Baking. Baking is another easy way to cook fish. You can bake fish in the oven with some herbs, spices, and olive oil. White fish like cod and haddock are great for baking. Frying. Some people enjoy fried fish. You can coat the fish in breadcrumbs or batter and fry it in oil. Fried fish is crispy and delicious, but it is important to eat fried foods in moderation. Steaming. Steaming is a healthy way to cook fish. It keeps the fish moist and tender without adding extra fat. Steamed fish can be flavored with ginger, garlic, or soy sauce. Sautéing. Sautéing fish in a pan with a little oil is quick and easy. You can add garlic, butter, or herbs to the pan for extra flavor. Fish is used in many dishes around the world. Here are some popular fish dishes. Sushi. Sushi is a Japanese dish made with raw fish, rice, and seaweed. Tuna, salmon, and mackerel are commonly used in sushi. Fish and chips. This is a British dish made with fried fish and fries. Cod or haddock is usually used for fish and chips. Grilled salmon. Grilled salmon is a simple and healthy dish that is popular in many countries. It can be served with vegetables or rice. Ceviche. Ceviche is a Latin American dish made with raw fish that is marinated in lime juice. The acid from the lime juice cooks the fish, giving it a unique flavor. Fish tacos. Fish tacos are a popular dish in Mexico. They are made with grilled or fried fish, topped with vegetables, and wrapped in a tortilla. Fish are a great addition to a healthy diet. They provide important nutrients that are good for the body and mind. Here are some tips for including fish in your diet. Eat fish twice a week. To get the health benefits of fish, try to eat it at least twice a week. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are especially good for your heart. Choose fresh fish. Fresh fish tastes better and is healthier. When buying fish, look for clear eyes, shiny skin, and a fresh smell. Frozen fish is also a good option if you cannot find fresh fish. Try different types of fish. There are many types of fish to choose from. Try different kinds like salmon, tuna, cod, and sardines to get a variety of nutrients. Be careful with mercury. Some fish, like tuna and swordfish, can have high levels of mercury. It is important to eat these types of fish in moderation, especially for pregnant women and young children. Use fish in your favorite recipes. You can easily add fish to your favorite meals. Try adding fish to pasta, salads, or sandwiches for a healthy twist. Conclusion: fish are a healthy and delicious food that should be part of everyone's diet. They are full of important nutrients like protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins that help keep our bodies strong. Eating fish regularly can improve heart health, support brain function, and boost our immune system. Whether grilled, baked, or sautéed, fish is a versatile food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Adding fish to your diet is a great way to stay healthy and feel your best.